Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel WiredTube Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to simulate analog input with Arduino Uno on Tinkercad. So let us get started step by step. Now I will search here Tinkercad and go to this official website www.tinkercad.com. Okay. So now go to circuits and you can see I have already logged in here, so we no need to log in, and create here new circuit. Okay, and I will search here Arduino, pick this and drop here. Okay, and I will take here a breadboard and I will take a small one and I will take LED. Okay, and one resistor, it is 220 ohm. We'll rotate this. Okay, and I will take a potentiometer. Okay, now I will make connection. So first of all I will connect 5 voltage with this pin of potentiometer, and I will connect middle pin of potentiometer with A0 pin. Okay, and first pin of potentiometer will be connected on ground. Okay, and cathode pin of LED will be connected on ground, so this is ground, and anode pin of LED will be connected on 30 number digital pin. I will change the color, it will be orange and ground will be black. Signal will be here like pink, and 5 volt will be red, and ground will be black. Okay, so friends, if I will rotate this potentiometer, so variable voltage will be go to A0 pin and controller will read the analog value and it will print on serially, and LED will blink, and LED blinking speed will be depend on analog value. Okay, so circuit is ready. Now we will go to programming. So click on code and go to text, continue. Okay, so this is LED blinking code, it is by default. I will start simulation once. You can see LED is blinking with 1 second delay. Okay, now I will press stop and I will start program for analog input. So first of all I will read analog value. So analog read, and it is connected on A0 pin. Okay, and it will be save in int potentio value. Okay, and I will put the delay, this value potentio value. So now delay will be depend on analog value of potentiometer. Here I will print its value. So serial dot print ln, and here potentiometer value will be printed. Okay, and in void setup function I will initialize serial monitor, serial dot begin at 9600 baud rate. Okay, so I think now programming is completed. So once I will start simulation. Okay, so I think here serial spelling is wrong. It is SERIAL. Okay, now again start. Okay, click on serial monitor. Here you can see this is 000, it is analog value. Now I will rotate the knob of this potentiometer. It is 123 and LED is blinking very fast because here is 123 millisecond delay. Okay, if I will rotate again, then you will see LED is blinking slow and analog value is 327. So now it is blinking with 327 millisecond delay, and now it is 532 millisecond, means near about half second. You can see here it is half second delay between on and off of this LED, and I will again rotate. Here it is 839 of analog. So now it is blinking with 839 millisecond delay. Again it is maximum. So now it is blinking with 1 second delay. Again I will rotate anti-clockwise. So speed is increasing. Okay. So friends, I hope you understood this, how it is working and what is use of this potentiometer and how to use this potentiometer and how you can implement this value of analog. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.